You don't need any expensive equipment, a camera, or a website to participate, and it's completely free. This website, which I have never showed before, will pay you via PayPal, Skrill, Payza, and Payoneer, and it is available in a variety of countries around the world. However, you need to stay connected and keep an eye out because this is far from the only platform available. I'll show you today so you can get paid, but before we get started, let me remind you of something. I'll be able to show you everything. So, the website that will be paying us today, and the site that you saw in the introduction. This one right here, which I've never seen before, is called Ally, and the link to this platform is Ally. You can see what this website is and how it will pay us right here. Earn money by sharing short links, which is simply a URL shortener like Bitly. I'm sure most of you have heard of it and have seen it on my channel because I've broadcast it several times. But with that stated, the difference here is that Ally will pay you every time someone clicks on your shortened link. Here's how it works. Let's say you shortened a link to a tutorial and sent it to someone who clicked on it previously. When people get to the real guide, they'll notice a lot of advertisements, and the ad revenue will be split between you and Ally. That is essentially how this platform works and why it differs from Bitly and other similar services. By the way, Ally isn't the only platform we'll be using today. You won't get paid if you only use Ally. We'll need to merge it with another platform, which is why I'm counting on you to stick with me and keep watching. As a result, this works out for you, and you don't jump ahead and miss vital information. With that in mind, there are two things worth mentioning regarding this website. As you can see from the introduction, it accepts a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, which you can find at the bottom of the page, and by clicking on payout rates just below, that you will be able to observe that it works primarily internationally as well as on this page. How much money do you get paid for every 1,000 individuals who click on your link? Anyways, now that you know what this site is, how it can pay you, and that it works in a variety of countries, let's get to what you want to do on here, because I don't want to waste your time going over all of its features, because you can do that yourself. The first thing you want to do is click on the login button in the upper left corner. Then click on create an account right here, because obviously you don't have one yet. On the next page you'll be prompted to enter. This is how everything will look once you log into your brand new account, and as you can see, Ally provides a wealth of information about everything. You can see how many shortened URL you have, how many clicks you have, your current balance, total earnings, and so much more. And now that you have your account, let me show you what you need to do next. The next site you should visit is called Many.link. I showed this in a video a while back, so some of you may remember it. But for those of you who don't, Many.link puts all the links you want to share on one simple, pretty page. So you only have to share that. So basically this platform allows you to create a landing page where you can put all of your links in one place. And for that reason, it is going to be a popular choice. But there's another reason you should use this platform. When you try to share your Ally link on a website, for example, you'll get banned, plain and simple. Whereas when you use a link to your landing page from this platform, you won't get banned. Combine that with the fact that you'll be able to add multiple links, and you can see why this site is going to be so useful for us, and why I said a while back that sticking around is crucial. Anyway, before you can construct a landing page, you'll need to create an account by clicking Get Started today, and then you'll only need to enter your email address to log in. Now that you've created an account on here, it's time to start looking for websites whose links we'd like to shorten with Ally. So head over to Google. What you'll want to look for in particular are guides, which may be about anything. As you can see, I looked for weight loss because it's a big niche with a lot of people who want to lose weight. But what you search for yourself doesn't matter as long as it's a big niche. For example, you can search for how to obtain six-pack abs, how to grow muscle, or you can bypass the health niche entirely and look for anything else. As I previously stated, As long as the niche is large enough and a large number of people are interested in it, it's no big concern. Anyway, all you have to do now is open some of these guides and copy their links. Then go to Ally here and paste the link before clicking on Shorten. You'll then take that shortened link and go to a variety of websites. On the following page, paste it in here and add a title. The title should be the same as the title of the guide. For example, if the guide is named Top 5 Ways to Lose Weight, that is how you should name it. When you're finished, click on Create Link below to complete the process. And what you'll want to do is repeat this procedure for at least 2 to 3 guides. So you'll take a link to a guide, shorten it with Ally, and then add it to many. I've already done that, as you can see, therefore I'm not going to make this film any longer. By the way, you should set up your profile appropriately, so make sure to use a profile photo and name that is in the same niche as the instructions you're using. For example, I'm using weight loss guides, so my profile is set up in that specific specialty. Now the last step is to basically get traffic to your landing page here, which you can see the link to right at the bottom. And whenever someone clicks on it, they'll be able to see all of these links. And whenever they click on those links, they'll be able to see a bunch of ads before they get to the guide in question, and you'll get paid, simple as that. Anyway, one way to get traffic is to use Facebook groups. Facebook is a hugely popular platform with millions of people using it worldwide, and there are groups in literally any niche you can think of. If you're in the weight loss niche like myself, that's what you want to look for. And as you can see, these weight loss groups have thousands upon thousands of members each, and everyone in these groups is obviously interested in weight loss, which is something I'm interested in as well. What you'll want to do from here is join as many of these groups as possible in order to maximize your results. And what you'll want to do from there is leave a post saying things, "These guides helped me lose weight. This is the best way to lose weight," and so on. And you'll want to make sure to emphasize that you're not selling anything and that they won't need to sign up for any website. You're simply providing value, and by doing so, you'll be able to, and not only will you be helping people out because, after all, you are essentially giving out free guides, but you will also be making a good amount of money in the process. So everyone wins in this case, and you will also avoid being banned by these groups because you are not directly giving out the Ally link.